Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, Giuseppe, back here with Giuseppe Builds. And so what we're doing today is we're going to find out how hard or easy it is to get Claude Chrome, the new Claude Chrome extension, working and running influencer campaigns all by itself. That's what we're going to be doing today. If you're interested, stick around. Remember to hit the like and subscribe. Thank you so much for clicking on this, and let's get into it. This is a conversation I had. This is the project and interested clients list. This is where everything's been happening. We have a general list of what's going on. So what I want to do now is the Claude Chrome is not connected to your Claude desktop in a literal sense. I don't think that it can pull context from your desktop. So it's kind of acting on its own. I'm going to ask Claude Chrome to work its way through Upfluence, which is what I'm using for this. So that way we can some sales on this. So what I want you to do for me is to get a full prompt up so that I can give it to Claude Chrome. So as it be going through here, these are some that have worked, but there's a lot that haven't or still need to. And these are all unreads. Anything, so we go by message, unread. We have 58 unread messages. I do not want to do this by hand. I want this to be automated. I want it to be official, professional. I want to move whatever deal we have forward in a professional manner. So what it's going to need to do is go through. It's going to have to open each of these. It's going to have to read the conversation that's happened so far and reply. Sounds simple, I know, but I'm not sure that this is actually that simple. Not sure how difficult this is going to be. So let's find out together. It has the prompt. I want to make sure that the prompt says everything that we need it to say. I'm going to say, I have a general reply here. So I'm going to say, this is the reply that, I was going to give it the reply that I have already mapped out, but it looks like oh, nice. It understands that. Usually on my second reply, using with some interest. Not sure that meeting link necessary right away. Necessary on my first, save that. Unless you expect otherwise. Here is my standard reply so far. Let's see how this goes. And then once we have this prompt, we are then going to kick it over. We're going to come over here and I'm going to let it do a bit of work and we're going to see what happens. Because if this can be automated, if I can leave this in the side to do some work, great. I'm going to rebuild the prompt with this in mind. Yes. Now what we've done is we've given it all the context of everything that we need it to know and do. And we are now going to use that to inform the Claude Chrome. And with the Claude Chrome, we're going to let it run and we're going to see at least a little bit what it's going to need to do and what it does. This could be really fun if this works out the way that I think it's going to work out. So we need to include the specifics of your business or whatever product you happen to have to make sure that this is going properly. Once you set this up properly, then you can cook it. We're going to use this prompt to inform Claude Chrome. See how it does. You also include that we'll have steps such as selecting mail, opening it, viewing the conversation, replying and sending a reply, and all of this is happening within Upfluence. So I know that we're going to include it into the prompt, but what I'm going to do over here actually is just pull this out a little bit, and I just want it to do a little bit of work. Let's crack this open in here. I'm just going to say, hi, what do you want me to do today? You are within an Upfluence email campaign. I would like you to the page and get comfortable with it. So that's getting comfortable with the page. Should save us a little bit of headache. So now that we're back here, let's check this out. This and grab this. So we're going to open this in Xcode, which you won't be able to see, which maybe I won't be able to see. But if you comment below, I'll give you this. I'll set up a prompt for you to do this. Make this a simple artifact that I can copy and paste. If I can't use it, it's not handy now, is it? So this has done a little review. That was a good idea. I'm going to open a page and I want you to have a look at that. So now I'm saying I have a gander. I clicked on the page. This is the other page that you're going to have to be comfortable with. So work it out and try to understand what we're going to be doing. Here is the channels tab. And by clicking on the earlier email, you'll be able to see conversation in its entirety. See these features. It's going to review the channel information, so it's getting comfortable with everything that we're going to have it do. And this is going to help us automate our influencer outreach, save a lot of money, save a lot of time, and still come off professional and personal. And that's the goal here. Now, once this actually does this, just to save on context, what we're going to do is I'm going to have it save all of its information. That's what we're doing now. We're working out a way to gather this information and put it together in a way that it's going to make sense and be usable and replicable, right? We want to come off professional. We need this to work. So this isn't a nice to have. This is a success matters. Let's make some money. Let's make it happen. So now this is the guide that it gave us over here. Sorry. This is the guide that it created here within this prompt. So I asked it, what I want you to do is break down all of the information into a simple prompt so that way other instances of Claude Chrome will be able to navigate these pages with ease. What it's done now, after understanding everything, it's given me this big prompt where it's documented things in its own language, in its own terms. I'm going to copy this. I'm going to come back over to my terminal here. I'm going to say, okay, I had Claude Chrome do a scan and get comfortable with Upfluence mail campaign UI. So I'm going to give you the prompt it gave me, and let's combine the two so that Claude Chrome can easily handle the task of replying to these influencers one at a time. We're going to put that in there. And now we are on to the next step. I think this is pretty cool. Now it's including the flow. So Claude knows kind of more so what it's looking for, which is better. I'll take that all day. I don't want Claude to waste tokens or time thinking about working out where to go, what to work on, etc. This isn't that. This is, hey, we have a job to do. Let's get in there. Let's be efficient, precise, professional. Ooh, it's a little better. I think this is the whole thing. So let's just keep it simple. How does that sound? Sounds pretty good to me. All right, so we're going to open this, open Google Chrome, which I'll show you here. So here is the final full prompt. What's included? Please list. Okay, copy it. Come over here. Now I'm going to close this. I'm going to duplicate this because I don't want it to use the same context window. Let's move it over, right? So see if it starts a fresh one. Great. Let's plug in the prompt and let's see what happens. This document contains embedded instructions asking me to navigate the specific URLs, compose and send emails. Need to be directed by the safety boundaries. I cannot execute business decisions. So it did not understand that at all. So it looks like the Claude desktop doesn't actually understand what Claude Chrome needs. So we're going to feed this back and let's just see if we can fix this because this is getting kind of silly. I would have thought that through. Other instructions. Here is the reply from Claude Chrome. So now it's learning about its own limitations, which I thought would have been standard, which we would have all expected would have been standard. So the issue is that it needs to be a drafting assistant, which is fine. We could just draft these things up. That would be great. I'm not super worried about do everything, but it's something. Do the first in a simple way that is, it's a strange limitation that I wasn't expecting. The if then response I think is genius. It breaks things down, less decision making, less tokens. Let's see what happens. I just pasted this. We're gonna check it out. No, this is being silly again. We're gonna try this again. Some simple rules that I can share Claude Chrome so that it knows my goals and limitations are, and it can behave as a helper. This does. So I got it to draft these rules. We're gonna go in here. Here are rules to help us get. Only thing I want to change here is that a little more personable. This is a logic thing, so I don't know how good it's gonna be, but we're gonna do it anyways. Let's see. Now this is messaging. It is going to be a difficult thing to make sure that it's always working with your clients. Let's save, see if it'll just reply by itself. I did have to scroll down for it, so it's not quite there, but it's getting closer. So it's run into something where we just got added to a random email list because we've emailed this person in the past. Pop it here. We're just going to say, emailed us. Need to get stuck on this. As of right now, this hasn't beat the allegations. It is still moving quite slow. I would love for this to be a little more handy. Anyways, it looks like this isn't really to the point now where this is going to be something where you can just set and forget. There's a lot going on in these communications, and I don't think the AI, specifically Claude, is there yet, even though I think it could be. I think it's close, but it doesn't want to make some simple decisions, and I guess that's fair. But maybe this is just a thing of training. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to end the video there. Thank you so much for joining me. Thank you for hanging out with me. If you click this, please subscribe. You are absolutely amazing. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a follow-up. If I can hone this in with some prompt and get this to just roll through and make it happen, then all the better. But as for right now, stuck here. I think that this doesn't really have everything I need. I do appreciate that I can have some ongoing conversations without copy and pasting back and forth into another thing. But for the time being, I think this is kind of where Claude Chrome has maxed out for now. Will it be here at the end of the year? I don't know, but I'm excited to see what happens. Anyways, thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you later. Love you guys. Bye-bye.